welcome to my channel. It's me, Oregon Sand. I know everybody's already moved on to Christmas, but I needed a centerpiece for my Thanksgiving table. And so I went ahead and watched some other YouTubers and how they created a flower arrangement. And one person in particular really got me feeling confident about creating one myself. And this YouTuber is Ramon from Ramon at Home. He makes all kinds of beautiful centerpieces. You should check out his channel. And like I said, I watched him and I was like, hey, I could do that. And he buys all his items at Dollar Tree, and that's what I did as well. Dollar Tree and some things from the Dollar Spot at Target. And I did buy a glass vase from Goodwill. So yeah, for those three places. And so it was very inexpensive to create these. I think they turned out pretty, so let's get started. So here I have the floral foam. I'm using one full unopened piece in the middle. Ramon says to keep it in the plastic because, you know, just makes less of a mess. And you could, the flowers will still stick in it that way. And then I just had a couple little leftover pieces to put on the side. So here I'm just going to take the glass for the candle and put it upside down and kind of rub it down so that it will leave an indentation in the foam. And then that way I'll know to, you know, just place my flowers around that area. And then I just added some moss around the sides to try and cover up a lot of the foamy area. And funny thing is, I didn't have a lot. I thought I had a lot more moss, but I used it for my Halloween decorations. So we live in Oregon. We have lots of moss outside all over the trees. So I just went and picked some and laid it down in places where it was lacking, and yeah, it worked out great. And then I didn't put it on the top right away. I do add some a little bit later, but you know, the bulk of the flowers will be on the top, obviously, and then also you know, the glass will be there in the middle. So I didn't have to put a lot. I wasn't sure exactly where to put it. So anyways, it worked out good. So you'll see. So I'm going to add, everywhere I add a piece of foliage, I'm going to do the mirror image on the other side. And I'll do that throughout the whole process. This is about the part where I'm thinking in my mind, maybe this isn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. Starts off looking kind of crazy, but you know, you just keep working at it, and it's kind of amazing how it turns out. And like I said, I watched Ramon and how he did it. I watched several of his videos, and you know, they all start out kind of this way, and they just progress into something beautiful. So. And this is the part where I went ahead and glued down a little bit more of the moss around the candle there. So now here I want to add some pine cones. So I add a few around the candle. Okay, so here I have some little pumpkins and some little red apples. I have some skewers. I'm going to just put them into the bottoms of them there and then stick them into the arrangement. And it adds a really nice touch, I think.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you.
And there it is. What do you think? I think it came out really pretty for my first time, but now I'm not afraid to make flower arrangements. I'm so excited.
Think you belong with everybody else, but you belong with me. And there's nothing I can do, cause you don't see straight when it comes to her. No, she's gonna eat you up whole and spit you out, and then you'll be free. Every piece.
And you know, you might want a different kind of a candle, maybe just a tall pillar candle or a hurricane shade over it or something like that. It'd be really pretty. Okay, and I'm going to make another one here. This time I have a glass jar that I got from Goodwill for $3. And I got, you know, all the foliage from the Dollar Tree. I have some other things here from the Dollar Spot at Target. The little acorns and pumpkins and the little pine cones. So yeah, but both of these projects are very inexpensive. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the little acorns and the little pumpkins and put them into the glass jar. So yeah, these little pumpkins and acorns, like I said, they come from the Dollar Spot at Target, and the jar was from Goodwill.
You don't want me anymore.
Okay, so I have these little white disc floral foams that I'll put on the top. I'm going to put two, stick them together, and then I'm going to go over them with a little bit of brown marker so that they're just not so, stark white and showing so much. So. I think these mums from the Dollar Tree are so pretty, and it's pretty amazing that you can get them for $1.25. And so now here I'll add a few pine cones. And here I'm going to add just a little ribbon around the middle with a cute little bow. And And I'm finished with this one. What do you think? I really like how it turned out myself. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me make these 2 flower arrangements. They were definitely something that was my first time trying, and I am definitely going to do it again. It was so much fun, and I think they came out pretty cute. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you want to see Ramon at home and see some of the beautiful arrangements he creates, because he's pretty amazing, you should check out his channel. And thanks for watching, friends, and I hope you will consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Until next time, bye-bye.